Stop
Hey,
walking.
there's
We got this whole thing to eat. Who is gonna, huh? Enjoy. You guys can have a couple. You want a couple?
Yeah, I want a couple.
Okay.
Spooky buddies.
Huh?
Spooky buddies. Look at spooky buddies. The spooky buddies. I want to see one. Oh, the buddies. Yeah. Let me see, Josh.
What?
Spooky buddies.
What's your cookie, Sarah?
Oh no!
What?
Those have toothpaste in them.
Hey, buddy.
I'll eat mine. Those have toothpaste in them. This is not toothpaste. Yummy. Ah! We got toothpaste. They didn't. But not those. Tim's got toothpaste.
You're not gonna eat this?
No, it has toothpaste in it.
What's today?
April Fools.
Here, Tim. Here's a real cookie. This is real, I promise.
Yeah, this is toothpaste. April Fools.
Josh, sorry, bud.
I was the one that was only.
Now you don't have to brush your teeth.
I was the one.
Here, here's a real cookie.
That's
a real cookie.
Hey, you stuck these together.
You can't say that. That's disgusting.
Okay, so far I've gotten pranked by you, Mom, and Sarah. I haven't gotten anyone today.
What was your prank?
Mom said she wasn't gonna drive me to school, and Sarah did this thing where she had like this little brown piece
Oh,
of
did you
paper
do it to Daddy?
in this,
Okay, don't tell.
and then it was like a brown.
No, don't
Hold
say
on,
it.
hold
I
on.
need to find it.
Hold on. Okay.